Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, sa mga naghahanap kung nasaan ang Pangulong Marcos Jr., ito, nagpakita na siya live speech sa Malacanang. So, he's alive and kicking. Gusto ko lang munang i-shout out pasalamatan ng aking mga researchers, subscriber researchers, si Yodora at saka si Chris Torres. Silang nagpapadala sa akin itong mga videos, articles na ito. Ito, mayroong activity sa Malacanang, oath-taking ng 39 newly promoted PNP generals. 3-star, 2-star, 1-star. Kasama si General Torre. Ito na.
Affairs Secretary Roman Felix and the Philippine National Police Chief Police General Romero Marbil, the newly promoted star rank officers of the PNP, and of course, equally importantly, their families. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome once again.
Good afternoon. So ngayong hapon lang. Yan, nandyan si General Torre, oh.
We just now have witnessed the oath-taking of 39 star-ranked officers of the Philippine National Police. Each of them have earned this very well-deserved promotion. With that, my sincerest congratulations and a snappy salute to the 4 police lieutenant generals, 11 police major generals, and 24 police brigadier generals. As you don your new badges, remember, you are not only rising in rank, you are also rising in responsibility. You are stepping up into a position that demands no less than the highest standards of ethics, professionalism, and respect for human rights at all times. Always carry in your hearts your oath to our great republic, to faithfully, honestly, and unequivocally uphold and defend our Constitution. Let your actions always be rooted to what is right, what must be done, and what is legally ordered. Perform your duties with utmost dedication, integrity, and accountability, knowing that the trust and confidence placed in you demands your very best. The mantle you now wear carries with it the expectation that you will embody these values in every action, every decision, every mission that you...
Okay, medyo
Kami ni Mama.
nagpatalastas lang, ha. Balaya. So, una kong napansin, si General Torre, nandun. Kasi bago siyang promoted na 2-star general. Okay? Yan.
It is thus incumbent upon you to lead by example. You have been entrusted with a daunting but noble responsibility of leadership, to guide, to discipline, to inspire the men and women under your command. Ensure that all PNP personnel are fulfilling their duties with integrity, competence, and trustworthiness, considering that our police force plays a very significant role to maintain peace and order, protect communities, and to respond in times of calamities. Rest assured, the whole nation and I acknowledge and commend all the hard work that you do. This recognition likewise extends to your families, who have had their fair share of sacrifices to support you in your career and in this noble endeavor. We are all part of a larger mission to create a safer, more just, and more prosperous Philippines. Now, more than ever, the Filipino people have great expectations of you, of us, as their leaders and their protectors. Our people expect a police force that is reliable, responsive, and resolutely committed to protecting the lives of every Filipino. Filipinos expect to live in a safe, fair, and just environment where peace and order are observed while upholding the rights and dignity of all citizens. Let us ensure we all live up to those expectations. We must meet them with every ounce of our strength. We must not falter. We must deliver. The road ahead will not be easy, but this I know. You wear your badge not just on your chest, but in your convictions. There is no greater, more honorable calling than to serve and to protect the country. So let me leave you with this. As newly promoted PNP officials rise up to the complexity of today's challenges, balance the demands of law enforcement while preserving institutional integrity, adhere to human rights, have effective leadership to address multifaceted issues that surround our country today. Let all your actions reflect the core values that we all hold dear. Mas patatagin ang pagiging makadiyos, makabayan, makatao, at makakalikasan. Itaguyod natin ang isang bagong Pilipinas kung saan ramdam ang kapayapaan sa buong kapulungan. At kung saan ang bawat Pilipino ay nabubuhay ng matiwasay, walang takot at may dignidad. Once again, congratulations. We'll move forward together with deeper dedication, keeping the welfare of the Filipino at the heart of all that we do. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President.
At this point, we request the President to kindly grant us a photo opportunity with each of our promoted PNP Star Rank officers and their immediate families.
First, may we invite on stage
Okay, so at least, yan, maganda po dahil nakita natin ang Pangulo, nag-speech. Kaya lang, it does not mean na talagang very healthy na siya. Sana nalampasan niya na yung napabalita kasi na na namamaga ang mukha, hinihingal, yung napansin ni Dr. Gary C. Sana hindi na babalik nun. Kailangan natin ng isang Pangulong malusog. Okay, congratulations sa mga bagong promote na PNP officers. They deserve to be hard work. Kaya lang, yung nakakalungkot na balita lang, yung naisingit na yung police, yung nagnakaw ng 7 million, ilang 31 officers na nasibak sa tungkulin. Nakakadismaya. Although, yun na nga, nadungisan na naman ang buong organisasyon. So sana hindi na maulit yung mga ganong pangyari. We have only one PNP we've got, so we've got to support our policemen. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is tinutulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng Talandig sa Bukidnon.